If you want to achieve the luxury look for less in your home, you need to watch today's video. I'm sharing the best luxe for less finds I have found in 2025. And if you don't know who I am, my name is KB, and my entire mission in life is to help you achieve a luxury look in your home without breaking the bank. Are we going to splurge sometimes? Yes, but oftentimes we are going to save, and these are the very best save products that I found that are going to blow your mind. The first item I want to share is this framed fabric art. Now, I am an Amazon art hater. I never ever buy art on Amazon because it normally sucks in terms of quality. It's printed really poorly, and a lot of it's like ripoffs of like other people's work, which I hate. So I don't buy it as a rule. I love to support small artists and all that stuff. And I'll actually link all my favorite Etsy artists down below if you want to, pick up some affordable original artwork. But I saw this one and I was like, this looks kind of good. Like maybe I want to order this. I ordered this. You guys. Okay, so it's like massive. It is scaled correctly for a king size bed, and it is amazing. Could you DIY this? Yes, but I don't feel like it. And I think this is under $250 for the size. This is unheard of. You wouldn't even find something this high quality at a Home Goods or something like that. This is amazing. It adds so much texture. It comes in black, it comes in black and white, and then it comes in red. I love this piece. I think it looks so expensive, and it's a great way to add some dimension to your home. The next look for less find that I found on Amazon this year that I think looks really expensive is this candle holder. This is a nice sculptural candle holder. You've seen these all over the internet from like a lot more premium brands. This one is from Amazon. It's for a taper candle. It's just like a great way to get some sculpture, to get something artistic, something with movement out on the scene. I think a lot of us, we buy taper candle holders, we buy decorative accents, and they're just kind of like blah. They're not really contributing anything to the story. They're just like serving a function. But I love something that is functional and very visually pleasing, and I think this is one of those products. Now, I did something really bad. I know I shouldn't have done this, but I did it. I picked up these nightstands because honestly I thought they were too good to be true, and they weren't. They're so good. So you get a set of 2 nightstands for under $300. They're fluted, so they look just like the ones they're selling at Restoration Hardware right now. They also have the same option at CB2 right now. There's like a stone top. They're 2 different colors, so there's a darker color and a lighter color. I want darker. These just look so expensive. There is a 1-drawer option, a 2-drawer option, and a 3-drawer option. I just love the movement in these. They look so expensive, and I love that they do have storage. I think if you're trying to get that Restoration Hardware look for less, this is going to give you that. And this brand does have a few other options as well, if that's your vibe. Their coordinating dresser is $699, which is a lot of money, but it's the exact same vibe. So if you've been wanting to pick up that fluted set for restoration, you can get it here on Amazon. Next, I wanted to share some like holiday-ish stuff or like some wintry stuff. I think it's gonna work for winter and like early spring. So keep that in mind. And honestly, these are evergreen items depending upon your color scheme, but I found this flatware set. So I've been looking for high quality flatware. I've had this set from Crate & Barrel for a really long time, and I have that gold set from Amazon that I really like as well. I wanted something a little bit more traditional, especially with like traditional interior design kind of trending more. And I'm looking for more like timeless pieces for my home, and I found these ones. The detail is insane. It just transforms me into like a magical wonderland. I feel like it's very whimsical, but it's very heavy in the hand. I just think these look so luxe. They're so lush. They were a pretty penny, but I think they're comparable to what you pay at a Crate & Barrel, Pottery Barn, or something like that. And I just love the weight of the utensil in the hand, and they're silver. You can dishwash them. They're not gonna stain. They're not gonna get the water spots. I just thought they looked oh so luxe. Obviously, I also have these bamboo USB lamps that I've shared with you before. I think they're such a Ralph Lauren look for less. They're USB rechargeable. They hold a great charge. They have a battery operated remote, and they just illuminate the spaces that you don't expect to be vibrant. I think they're great for like a nice romantic dinner or just like dinner with friends. They're great in the shower if you want to do like a nice spa night at home. I think they just make life feel a little bit more lush, and I think that's a really beautiful thing. Now, this is also something I didn't think I'd end up sharing, but these artificial berries I think also are a great luxe look for less. So last year we saw like the popularity of the faux artichoke, and I don't think that that's going anywhere, but real fruit is expensive. And if we're buying real fruit, it's so expensive, let's just eat it, right? That's how I feel. So we'll put it on display when we can, but we might not have real fruit regularly. So I think this is a great option. These berries are so realistic. I used them for my daughter's very first birthday, and then I just decided to put them in a pedestal bowl and keep using them as decor. I think they are very well made. They're super high quality. I don't love the color of the stems, so I cut them off of the stems, and I think they're just like really great bowl filler. Obviously, be careful if you have small kids. I have this in my bedroom where she isn't, but I love the coloring here. They look super realistic, and I think it's a great way to use like an everyday item as decor, even though you can't eat these. Please don't eat these. Cabbage plates have also been having a moment, but they're so expensive, even like at Home Goods. And I found these ones on Amazon. You get 4 for $40, so it's like $10 a plate. We also had these for the very first birthday. These are perfect for spring, perfect for summer. I even use them in winter as well. I think it's all about how you style around them. I think they're so whimsical. I like really want to move to like a farm and really get into homesteading, so I think this is me just like kind of living that dream, but I thought this was a great luxe look for less because these plates can be really expensive elsewhere. I also picked up this mud pie tortoise pitcher. I think everyone everyone should have a pitcher, you know? I know we're in the era where we all drink out of our Stanleys or Wallas or like our hydro jugs, and that's fine, but sometimes it's just nice to have like a good glass and a pitcher of water. I think this one is chic. You guys know everything in my house is tortoise. I have my tortoise like tissue cover. I have tortoise toothbrushes, so why not have a tortoise pitcher as well? I think it's so well made, super high quality, and it looks straight out of the CB2 catalog. The next look for less fine I'm loving is this leather napkin ring. So I think napkin rings are also an underrated item. Napkins can just look so ugly. I think let's fold them beautifully and put them in a ring. We're also gonna, you know, keep track of them better that way. I got these leather ones off of Amazon. They come in so many different colors, but I actually use my Cricut to put people's initials on there for Thanksgiving. So I'm using them honestly as like place cards and napkin ring holders. I just thought it was like a really cute little touch. It's a great way to elevate the everyday. I also picked up this gold taper candle holder. It looks just like the Thaddeus collection from Restoration Hardware, but it's great for just adding a little pop of illumination, or if you can't find that third item to kind of finish off your vignette, I think this is going to do that. Speaking of Restoration Hardware, I also found these Ryandale accent tables. These look just like the Thaddeus collection. They have a marble top and then a glass bottom, or you can change them. They're really high quality. I have them in my daughter's room. These are great. They're super sturdy. They can like hold up to the weight of someone shaking them. I know them from experience, and they look super high quality. They are a perfect match to those Thaddeus inspired mirrors that I have in my primary bathroom, and I'm really, really happy with the quality of this, especially since they're under $200. Plus, this same collection does have a console table, and then they have a round table as well if you want to mix and match in your home, and they even have, I think, a 72-inch bookcase. I also wanted to share another look for less fine that I did not personally buy because I don't need it, but I did want to share it with you. They have these mirrors that are like the Thaddeus mirrors, but they're round. They almost look like those CB2 mirrors that I also have shared before. It's hammered, it's round, it can go up on the wall. They have a bathroom version that's like large. I think it's 24 by 36, and then a round version as well. So if you wanted the look, but you didn't want like the tall rectangular mirrors like the ones I have in my primary, I wanted to share these ones with you. These faux maple branches were one of the best buys I made on Amazon this year because they look so realistic. I think you get 4 or 5 stems in the pack. They're super long, you can bend them easily, and they look really realistic because they have that nice weathered look. I use them in fall, I use them in winter. Honestly, can't probably keep using them in spring as well. I think they're just like a great faux floral to kind of bolster whatever vignette you have going on styling. I think something like this, if they're out of season, use them in a bedroom or a room that isn't full of as much natural light, because I think they like kind of work a little bit better in like a more moody space. Another look for less fine that I love this year that you guys love too is this Rayco velvet quilt. This quilt just feels like the ones from Pottery Barn. It's honestly better than the Restoration Hardware coverlet that I bought for $400. This one is way better. It doesn't attract lint in the same way, and it comes with 2 pillow covers, and they're envelope style pillow covers, or pillow shams, excuse me. So you don't ever have to worry about them like folding out on the side or the pillow falling out. It's really nice, sleek, and chic. Next, we have this ceramic rustic vase. This looks like one of the vases you might find like on an Etsy, something that's nice and vintage, that sells for like $100 or $200. I think this gives you the look for less. I love not the discoloration, but the variation in color. I think it really helps sell the look, and it adds some earthiness to a space. If you're doing like an all neutral space or an all brown space, sometimes it can kind of start to feel kind of flat. So when you're able to pile on texture like you can with this vase, I think it's really going to elevate your space. Things like this at designer stores are going for $100 or $200, and this one is under $40 on Amazon. And before we wrap up today's video, I do want to share some look for less fashion finds, because fashion is really expensive as well. So whenever I find something super high quality, I definitely want to share it with you. Next, we have this camel sweater vest. It's around $89, so not cheap in any capacity for Amazon, but it looks just like Burberry to me. I have a Burberry sweater, and this one looks identical in my opinion. This is a sweater vest, and I have a sweater. It's super high quality. It's not itchy. It washes well in the normal laundry, and I think it's just like a great way to get that equestrian look if that's what you're going for. I also picked up this plaid skirt. Obviously, plaid is in because of the Ralph Lauren look. We're seeing the Ralph Lauren look obviously appear in fashion and become a lot more popular. Same thing with the home, and I feel like home and fashion are really intertwined. So I feel like what you're going to do in your home should be reflected in your closet. So if that's what you're doing, this is a great option. This is the plaid skirt. I wore this to Amazon Creator Summit. I was so comfortable in it. I don't often wear skirts because I went to a prep school where I had to wear a skirt every single day, rain, snow, or shine, for, I don't know, however many years you're in school. So I don't really wear skirts very much anymore, but this one is super comfortable. I think it's like tummy minimizing. It comes in so many different colors, and I felt really confident in it, and this would be so expensive elsewhere. But that's it for today's video. Those were my very best Amazon look for less finds in 2025. I found so many amazing products in 2025. I'm sorry I kept some of them from you, but you can pick them all up right now if you so choose. I've linked them all down in the description box, and you can also scan this QR code on the screen to pick them up. I think Amazon is such a great resource for achieving the designer look for less, because there are tons of things that you should splurge on, and be sure to subscribe, because in the new year I'm going to do tons of videos on like best sofas, best beds, best things, and some of them are gonna be splurge and some of them are gonna be saves. And I will tell you when to splurge and I will tell you when you should save your money. And I think Amazon is a really good resource when we want to save, because there are some brands on there that are super high quality and honestly rival those designer brands. And this video was an example of that. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.